Start with a clean face. Splash your face with water or apply serum. For the best results, we recommend using the hydrating microcurrent gel. Its ultra-soothing formula gives you a youthful and radiant complexion. Turn on the Smart Sonic Pulsation and Microcurrent facelift technologies by holding the power button for 2 seconds. Select the desired intensity by pressing the plus or minus buttons. Starting at the chin, turn the device sideways and gently glide it outward along the jawline. Repeat this motion 4 more times. You will work in several sections on one side of the face, and then repeat the process on the other side of the face before moving to the forehead and then to the neck. If necessary, reapply serum to each area right before use. Next, move up to the nasal fold and glide the device up and out to the ear. Repeat this motion 4 more times. Next, keeping the device horizontal, roll from the smile lines outward along the cheekbone and then up to the temple. Repeat this motion 4 more times. Apply serum to the area you will be working on. Then repeat the process on the other side of your face. The Smart Sonic Pulsation technology also increases blood circulation, which can help in removing fine lines, giving you smoother-looking skin. The ultra-gentle contouring and firming spheres gently stimulate and contract the muscles in the face, which will lift and tighten the skin. This lifting motion helps to reduce any fluid buildup, which will reduce puffiness around the eyes or the cheeks. Apply serum to the area you will be working on. Start from the temple and glide the device in an upward motion towards the hairline. Repeat this motion, making your way across the forehead. Make 5 full passes across the forehead. The use of our GESKE serum, combined with the ultra-gentle contouring and firming spheres, trigger the skin's natural healing processes, firming and tightening it. Next, move to the neck and reapply serum before starting to ensure the device has a good conductive effect. Start at the bottom of the neck, by the shoulder, and glide the device in an upward motion on the side of the neck, up to the jawline. Do not go over the throat. Repeat this motion 4 more times. Next, repeat this gliding motion, but this time go all the way past the jaw to the cheekbone. Repeat this motion 4 more times. Repeat this process on the other side of the neck. The ultra-gentle contouring and firming spheres help the body to trigger its natural renewal processes in the covered areas, which will help to lock in moisture in the skin and improve elasticity. To finish the lifting session, turn the device off by holding the power button for 2 seconds. Rinse your face and the device with water to remove any leftover serum, and pat your face dry.